Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today we will do exercise 7.6, the last exercise from your chapter fraction. Here you have to do the addition of fractional numbers. Additional fractional number, question number 1, it is written as solve, because in every sum you have to not to do the addition. If there is a minus, if you can see that it is a negative sign, minus sign, then you have to do subtraction also. Okay, the first 3 sums I have written, there you have to do the addition only. Now they are unlike terms, as the denominators are not same, so they are unlike terms. To make the unlike terms into like terms, you have to do the addition of the fraction. So to make them like terms, actually you have to do the LCM of these two. Okay, now what you will do, you will do the LCM. When the denominators are different, then you have to do the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21, because you know that, you know the LCM, no? Students, when you are doing the LCM, do the rough work. 3 and 7, if you do the LCM, you can't divide it by any number, so only one you can divide, 3 and 7. So the LCM is 3 into 7. 3 into 7 is 21. So LCM is 21. Now what you have to do, you have to make the number in the same denominator. But your fraction was like this, no? It was 2 by 3 and it was 1 by 7. It was 2 by 3 and it was 1 by 7. To make them 21, the first one, if you want to make them 21, so you have to multiply it 7, and you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 7, and when you are multiplying this by 3, it will become 21. So both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 3. In the both the cases you are getting 21 plus 21. Here it is 17, 14, 2 7 are 14, and here 3. Now it has become easy for you. You know that when the denominators are same, so the LCM will be 21, then 14 plus 3, so 14 plus 3, 17 by 21, and this is the answer only. It is 21. Understood? Come to the next sum. Here the LCM, you have to do the LCM again. LCM of 10 and 15 is, you have to do the LCM 10 and 15 in the rough work. 10, 15, you can divide both the numbers by 5. 5 2s are 5 3s are, so the LCM is 35 into 2 into 3 equal to 30. So the LCM is 30. Now to make 3 by 10, the denominator is 10. 7 by 15, the denominator is 15. You have to make the denominator 30. So here you have to multiply by 3 to make it 30. Both numerator and denominator should be multiplied by 3. Here you have to multiply by 2 to make it 30. Here also by 2. Now what you are getting now, 3 3s are 9 by 30. You are getting 9 by 30 plus 14 by 30. Now the denominator becomes same, so the sum become easy. 39 plus 14 equal to 23 by 30. These are improper fraction, all are proper fraction. This is smaller than this one, numerator is smaller, denominator is larger, so proper fraction, no need to do anything, leave the sum here only. Next sum is 4 by 9, 2 by 7. So again LCM of 9 and 7 is 63, because you can't divide 9 and 7 by any number, so the LCM is 63. Now LCM is 63. Now 4 by 9 plus 2 by 7. Now make it 63 into 7 into 7 into 9 into 9. So all the both the denominators become same now. 4 7 ja 28 plus 63 18. Add them to denominator becomes same. So 28 plus 18 46 by 16. Understood? Sorry, it was 46. The LCM is 63, not 16. Here it is 63. 46 by 63. This is the answer. Understood? Now, see, in this way, you will do these sums when the addition of fractions, and you will need to do the rough work. Then you will draw a line here on the right side of your page, and you will do the rough work. These 3 sums you have to do as your homework, D, E, F. Next 2-3 sums we will do here. Now next question number G. It is a subtraction of fraction. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Then you have to do the LCM of 4 and 3. The LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, because you can't divide it by any number. There is only one common factor, that is 1. So LCM is 12. You know that if you need to do the LCM here, you can do the in a rough work. Now LCM is 12. Now the number is 3 by 4. I have written 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Now to make the denominator 12 here, we need to multiply it by 3. Both numerator and denominator by the same number. Here also you have to multiply by 4 to make it 12. Both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now 3 3s are 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12. What numbers you are getting now? 12. 9 minus 4 equal to 5 by 12. This is the answer. Here also 6 and 3, they see the number 5 by 6, 1 by 3. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. Now you know that how to do the LCM in junior class you have done. So 6 and 3, the LCM is 6. I have written 6. Now when it is already 6, no need to multiply it by any other number except 1. But to make it 6, we need to multiply it by 2. Now 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Now what you will do? The LCM is common now, 6. Now 5 minus 2. The result is 3 by 6. You can leave the sum here also, and if you want to do the cancellation, that means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2 will be the correct answer. Then it will be 1 by 2. Understood? Next question is, it is a slightly 3 fractions you need to add now. Again you have to do the LCM 2, 3, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. 2, 3 and 6 is 6. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. I have to make this denominator into 6. You have to multiply by 3. Both numerator and denominator. To make 3, it was already 3. So you have to multiply it by 2. And here also 2. And here it is 6. So don't disturb it. Means only 1. Now the number is 6, 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So what you will get? The LCM is 6, 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6 by 6 equal to 1. You know that if you cancel it, it will get you will get 1. So this is the answer. Understood? Now I will do the 2 sums which is slightly mixed fraction. So I will do it now, and you know how to do mixed fraction. Now solve 1 by 3. You know these kind of fractions are known as mixed fraction. 3 2 by 3. When you have to convert a mixed fraction into a simple fraction, then improper fraction, then you have to multiply 3 into this one and plus 1 plus numerator. So 3 1 ja 3 plus 1. Now by 3, it will be 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, that means 4 by 3. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Both the denominators are same, so 4 plus 11, so you are getting 15 by 3. See, here you can cancel, no, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 are 15, so the answer is 5 here. Come to the next question. Here also it is a mixed fraction. See, when it is a mixed fraction, how to do? 3 4s are 12, 3 into 4 plus 2 by 3. You can do directly also. Those who can do directly, you can do directly. 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4. That means 3 4s are 12, 13, 14 by 3 plus 3 4s are 12, 13 by 4. Now you have to do the LCM. Here the denominators are not same, so LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. To make this denominator same, you have to multiply 14 by 3 and 13 by 4. To make it 12, you need to multiply it by 4, and to make it 12, you have to multiply by 3. Now what you are getting now? 56 by 12 plus 39 by 12. LCM is 12, 56 plus 39, 9 and 6, 15, 1 carry 4, 95 by 12. You can leave this also, or you can make it in a mixed fraction also. When you are making it a mixed fraction, 95, 12, now 19 by 12, in your book it is written only 19 by 5, but I have started it is to make it a mixed fraction. If it is improper fraction, then you can convert it in a mixed fraction. So multiply 12 7 ja 84. Now subtract it. What you can't divide by 12, so it is in the numerator you will write it, and by denominator you will write 12 only, and this is the answer. Next question, it is very small. So LCM is 5, 16 minus 7, and you are getting 9 by 5. Understood? This is very, it was a subtraction of a fractional number, but these two sums are slightly large, and maybe you are doing it first time, so do you practice it 2 to 3 times. I hope all of you understood. Thank you, students.